my name is Nicole Winters, and I am the founder and a designer for Shea Designs, a jewelry and accessory design company founded here in Denver. I started making jewelry as a bonding experience with my aunts. It was a family thing, my sisters, my aunts, my parents. And from there, it just became this passion that I loved to do and I loved to create. So my work is created in a lot of different ways. I am inspired by my sister, by people I see on the street, and I always try and bring a story to life through the piece that I'm creating. Be it beads made by women in Uganda, be it pieces made out of my dad's old comic books. Everything has a story. My favorite part of what I do is actually getting to meet people and see somebody else enjoy something that I've created, especially if it's custom work or something like that. I love to network and just meet new people. With Shea Designs, with my jewelry, I'm right now trying to get into a number of boutiques, and eventually I'd like to have my own boutique where I can not only showcase my own work but the work of others. My name is Nicole Winters and I'm a raw artist.